The new Mercedes-AMG SL, the new edition of an icon, returns to its roots with a classic soft top and sporty character. At the same time, the luxurious Roadster as a 2+2-seater is particularly suitable for everyday use and puts its power down on the road with all-wheel drive for the first time. High-tech components such as AMG ACTIVE RIDE CONTROL suspension with active anti-roll stabilization, rear axle steering, and optionally available AMG ceramic high-performance composite brake system are available. In combination with the handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, this results in a driving experience of the highest order. As a consistent performance luxury model, Mercedes-AMG has developed the SL completely independently. Two models with AMG V8 engines will kick off the market launch. The sportier positioning of the new SL also suggested the decision for an electric soft top instead of the previous metal Vario roof. The 46-pound reduction in weight and the resulting lower center of gravity have a positive effect on driving dynamics and handling. The space and weight-saving Z-fold makes it possible to dispense with a conventional soft top compartment cover. The front roof cap ensures that the open soft top is flush with the surface in its final position. Opening and closing takes only about 15 seconds and is possible up to a speed of 37 miles per hour. The soft top is operated using the switch panel in the center console or the multimedia touchscreen, on which an animation shows how the process is progressing. Engine, transmission, and all-wheel drive, great variety and more choice than ever before. At market launch, the new SL starts with two output levels of the AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine. The engines are assembled purely by hand at the company's site in a fall turbog, according to the one-man, one-engine principle. In the top model SL63, the engine develops 577 horsepower and provides a maximum torque of 590 pounds-foot of torque over a wide rev range from 2,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes an estimated 3.5 seconds. In the SL55, the V8 unit develops an output of 469 horsepower and a peak torque of 516 pound-foot of torque. The sprint from standstill to 60 miles per hour takes an estimated 3.8 seconds. For use in the SL, the engine received a new oil pan, repositioned intercoolers and active crankcase ventilation. The intake and exhaust ducts have been optimized for even more effective gas exchange, and the exhaust gas routing for the catalytic converter box and petrol particulate filter has been enlarged. The developers achieved the increased output of the SL63 primarily through higher boost pressure and greater airflow, as well as modified engine software. To sum up, the 8-cylinder engine thrills with its exceptional power delivery and powerful acceleration in all engine speed ranges combined with maximum efficiency for low consumption and emission values.